advices you'd like to share and give to our Filipino aspiring caregivers out there who wish to work here in Japan?
Okay, what my advice will be, first talaga, as much as possible, sanayin mo yung hearing mo sa Japanese language. It will be your first, mahirapan dito pag di ka masyadong makaintindi kasi Nihongo talaga sila. They don't know English. And parang second na yung wag ka nang masyadong mag-worry doon sa work kung wala kang experience kasi tuturuan ka naman tapos parang ang simple lang naman ng work. Mahirap lang talaga yung Nihongo kasi the instructions will be in Nihongo, right?
Correct.
And ang bilis
Tekotoba
nilang
na the word.
magsalita. Oo. Pagdating mo talaga, don't act like you know the language.
Everything.
Just tell them na this is my level of Nihongo. Please use Kantan Kotoba.
In
Mm-mm.
Isay,
Para